Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. So guys, in this video I will tell you that how you can copy the text from any image. So guys, for example, if there is any kind of image you want to get the text out from it, first of all you have to open the snapping tool. Then you just have to take a screenshot of that text. For example, in my case it's a screenshot of my logo of my channel. So after taking the screenshot, as I already told you that how you can take a screenshot in my other video, you can check it out as well. So after taking a screenshot, you just have to click on that option, text action. So by clicking on that, it will automatically analyze the text, and then you can simply copy all text from here. By doing that, you can simply get the text, and I can show you by pasting that text over here. So you can see that all text which available in that image will get here. So guys, that's how you can get the text from any kind of image. You just have to take the screenshot, then you can get the text. So guys, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.